Today, we're going to be checking out this cordless vacuum, and it was sent to us by the manufacturer for us to check out today. Now, this thing's really cool. It's a little bit more lightweight than some of the other ones I have tested out there, meaning I don't think it's quite as durable. However, for the price point, I think it's a fantastic buy. So let's go over it really quick. First of all, it does a fantastic job at vacuuming your carpets. It does a fantastic job at vacuuming your hardwood floors. This thing, you can break it down. You can take it out to your vehicle and you can easily vacuum inside your vehicle. It has a cool little crevice tool right here. So you can throw it on here and get in those tight little spots right here. It does extend. So whether you're short, tall, or want to use this, you know, in all different types of places, it's going to definitely help you out. Push this button in the front does come off. As you see, it does have those little roller heads on there, which is going to assist with, you know, picking up everything. You can then take your crevice tool and attach it on here, pull this off, and attach it on just like that. There you go. So it's more like a dust buster handheld type vacuum right there. This easily dumps. You just open this up right there, dump out your waste. And then in regards to cleaning the filter, you reach inside here, do like an 1/8 of a turn on it, counterclockwise, pull out the filter, easily rinse this with water, put it back in there once it's dried off, and then put this back in here. Same thing, about an 1/8 of a turn clockwise, and you are good to go. Overall, this thing is really great. It has 2 different speeds on it. The first speed, whenever you first turn it on, you'll hear. And then it has a second speed right there. And the suction on this is decent. I'm going to use my anemometer right here, which measures wind speed, which isn't really a vacuum, but it's the best I can do. So we'll go ahead and do it. I believe I was getting about 26 miles per hour off of the high speed and about 15 off of the low speed. We're going to go ahead and double check that here right now. So right there was our high speed, was about 23 miles an hour, and our low speed is about 18 miles an hour. So a decent amount of suction, especially whenever you're using like that crevice tool. You're going to get way more suction, getting the fine particles and stuff out of that. And then, like I said, whenever you're using this, those rollers really help pick up everything. Overall, I've been very, very pleased with it. I think it's a great little product. Like I said, price point is perfect on this, even though it's not quite as high as quality as something like, say, a Dyson, which those are astronomically priced. But these right here, very affordable. It'd be great for, you know, a starter home, something like that. And then it has, you know, like I said, all the pieces that you need in order to maintain your home and even your vehicle. Comes with the charger right here, plugs directly into this, and it's going to last you about 55 minutes. So overall, great little buy here. Go ahead and check it out.